Welcome, today in front of me REALME GT Master Edition, and I'll show you how to adjust notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should go to the notification bar, and here you will see the edit icon on the right upper corner. Just tap there, and as can you see right now we got here all the available icon on our notification panel. And if you wanna add, for example, one more icon from these icons, just hold for a while and drag it here by this way. Also we can add one more icon by the same way. Just repeat your actions, your previous actions. If you want to remove the icon, for example this one, just hold for a while and drag it here to these icons. So also you can change the position of the icons on your notification panel. Just hold for a while and change the position. Just move your icon to the position where you want to change. So that's how it looks. Now if you'll just go back, you'll see the changes, and that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.